Windows 11, Wondershare Filmora 13, version 13.3.0. If we go and take the playhead, bring it to 3 seconds, click on the quick text and press it. Every single time, playhead goes to the end. This is quite alright if you're working on a track, if you want to see that. But when you bring in a video to track number 1, you want to go to 5 seconds, and you do the same exact thing. And I notice everybody else online, but I notice the tutorial people, other people, it doesn't do that. It does this. Filmora, is that a problem? Yeah, man, I did a 15-minute video. This is what I got.